Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So I bought myself this cordless hedge trimmer at the end of last year and I've just had a chance to test it out on my hedges. So in this video I'll be doing an unboxing, testing and review of this 18V XL cordless hedge trimmer. So here is the XL cordless hedge trimmer, 18 volts. This is the body only, no battery and charger included. I recently bought this from Tools for Trade website, and it's a cordless hedge trimmer. It says on the box, small and easy to handle, low weight for user-friendly operation, two-handed safety switch, laser cut blade for clear and efficient cutting, and you can use it with the 2Ah or the 5Ah XL 18V batteries. The length of this blade here is 410mm. The cutting capacity within these sections here, so the thickness of like a branch that it would cut, is 18mm. That's quite good. The RPM is 1300, and that is about it. So it has a sheath on it. Here is the blade, looks good. It comes with an instruction manual and also this protective sort of hood that will go on the front here. I'll attach that in a minute, and there's two screws to attach it. So now I'm just going to attach this protection hood. Stops bits flying up back at you. Just need to connect the two screws on. And that just pushes on. And then I can add a screw at either end. So that's all the assembly required. Just need to add a battery now. We've got the cover on the front there to stop little bits of branch and twig coming up and hitting you on the hand. So that protects your hand. And you've got the two safety switches here. I'll just add a battery. I'm going to add a 2Ah battery in here. Slots in nice and securely. There's no rocking about, no movement there. That is solid. Let's listen to it for the first time. It says on the cover here that the sound is 93 decibels, the operational sound. Not to use it in wet weather, and to check the instructions out. So sounds pretty good to me, doesn't sound too loud. First impressions, feels good, seems fairly well made. It can be sat down nice and flat so it doesn't fall over. I like the two trigger safety switch, feels nice and comfortable. Decent. Okay, so that is about it for this video. So my first impressions of this cordless hedge trimmer. I think it's very good. I think it's cheap and cheerful in my opinion. Very cheap to buy and very simple to use, lightweight, compact, does a great job. The gaps between the blades are nice and big, so you can cut even thicker branches with this this hedge trimmer. Battery life I think was excellent. I did both of those hedges and they're probably 25 foot long or so, quite high as well. The one of them is around 2 meters high, and I cut the tops as well. And as you can see, on a 2 amp hour battery, I've still got almost 2 bars left. Pretty surprising, excellent battery life in my opinion. Can easily do the average hedge on a single charge. So with that being said, I think it's a very good tool. If you'd like to buy this tool, I'll leave my Amazon associate link to this product in the description box of this video, and if you use that link I'll receive a small commission which helps keep the channel going at no extra cost to you. So if you did like the video, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos, and as always thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next time.